Relay App AI is making waves in the tech world, and today we're diving deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. If you're considering using Relay App AI or just curious about it, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of its features, benefits, and how it can help streamline your workflow like never before. Before we get into it, if you want to try Relay App AI completely free, check out the first link in the description. No strings attached, just an easy way to test the software for yourself. Relay App AI is quickly gaining attention for its powerful automation capabilities designed to simplify your day-to-day operations. It's a multifaceted tool aimed at automating communication, making team collaboration smoother, and handling repetitive tasks with ease. Whether you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, or part of a larger organization, this tool is designed to boost productivity and streamline processes. One of the first things you'll notice with Relay App AI is its ability to handle communication like a pro. The software offers an AI-powered chatbot that can engage with your customers 24/7. It's more than just a simple FAQ bot. It can also handle complex queries and direct users to the right resources, cutting down on response times and improving customer satisfaction. But what really sets Relay App AI apart is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with your existing systems, such as your email platform, CRM, and project management tools. This allows you to consolidate your workflows and save time by eliminating the need to switch between apps. You're essentially bringing all your tools into one easy-to-manage interface. Relay App AI is also highly customizable, which means it can fit the specific needs of your business. From adjusting the tone of your chatbot's responses to setting up custom workflows, you can tailor the software to align with your brand's voice and operational processes. This customization is a huge advantage over other AI tools that often offer rigid, one-size-fits-all solutions. Another key feature that makes Relay App AI stand out is its data analytics dashboard. This dashboard provides detailed insights into your operations, customer interactions, and overall productivity. With these insights, you can make data-driven decisions and fine-tune your processes for maximum efficiency. Relay App AI also focuses on user-friendliness, which is critical when implementing new software. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and doesn't require a steep learning curve. Whether you're tech-savvy or just getting started, you'll find it simple to integrate and start using within minutes. For those in digital marketing or business development, Relay App AI offers powerful automation tools that help you nurture leads and drive conversions. It can automatically segment and categorize leads, send personalized follow-ups, and even assist in closing deals, all based on the data it gathers. This automation ensures that you're not wasting time on low-value tasks and allows you to focus on high-impact activities. Lastly, if you're worried about the AI making mistakes or missing crucial details, Relay App AI includes a feedback loop system. This system allows you to train the AI over time, improving its accuracy and ensuring it continues to deliver exceptional results. It's constantly learning and adapting to your specific business needs. To wrap things up, Relay App AI is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their workflows, enhance communication, and boost productivity. With its powerful features, integration capabilities, and customization options, it's a tool that can truly elevate your business. Remember, you can try Relay App AI completely free through the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've handpicked some of the best AI software solutions for digital marketers and entrepreneurs, and I've included those in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trials linked below.